1500 Z71 Trail Boss LT. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Black rims, V8 motor. This is a rebuilt title, theft recovery. Start it up here so before I walk around. So smart key, remote start. $46,500 on the miles. Heated steering wheel, cruise. Your four-wheel drive options, your tow package here. Windows, power mirrors. And here's your trailer brake, heated seats. Has Apple CarPlay. Controls here. It's your power sliding rear glass. No sunroof on this one. Power options there. It does have the Bose. Side steps here. See a little bit of damage there. Tires. Slow release tailgate. Bed liner. 10 plug. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com. REEL.